In this video, we listed the 5 best drones for under $100 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. S2S Drone. The new S2S Drone by GUIG is a compact and lightweight camera drone, weighing just 174 grams and featuring a maximum takeoff weight of under 1 kilogram. Designed for ease of use, it boasts foldable arms for portability and a flight time of 20 to 25 minutes, powered by a removable 3.7V 2000 mAh LiPo battery. The drone operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and includes a 4-channel remote control with an impressive 100 m Wi-Fi range, allowing users to capture stunning aerial photography with options for 4K, 6K, and 8K HD video recording. Its user-friendly features, such as altitude hold, waypoint flight mode, and one-touch takeoff, landing, enhance the flying experience, ensuring stable flight and ease of maneuvering. The drone is equipped with advanced functionalities like an orbital movement mode for dynamic camera angles and low-power protection. Included in the package are the drone, a remote controller, spare propellers, a USB charging cable, and user manuals, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and enthusiasts alike. Number 2. JJRC X26 GPS RC Drone. The JJRC X26 is an advanced GPS-enabled RC drone designed for both beginners and intermediate users. Weighing 125 g with a compact foldable design, 12.5 cm x 8 cm x 6.5 cm, it features a powerful 8K UHD camera with electronic image stabilization and supports various shooting modes, including gesture recognition. This drone boasts impressive flight capabilities, with a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes and a maximum control range of 500 meters, all powered by a lithium battery that charges in approximately 90 minutes. Enhancements such as obstacle avoidance, follow-me functionality, and a height stabilization mode make it user-friendly and versatile for a variety of aerial photography needs. The JJRC X26 is also constructed with durable materials and includes a remote controller, spare propellers, charger, and user manuals, making it a complete package for enthusiasts looking to explore the skies. Number 3. LS4S RC Drone. The LS4S RC quadcopter is a compact and lightweight camera drone ideal for aerial photography, weighing only 100 g with a maximum takeoff weight under 1 kilogram. It features a 3-axis gimbal for electronic image stabilization, allowing for superior video recording capabilities at 4K resolution, 4096 by 2160, and additional options for 1080p and 8K HD recording. With a flight time of up to 18 minutes and a remote operation distance of 100 meters, this drone operates on a frequency of 2.4 GHz and is equipped with a complete omnidirectional sensing system. While it lacks built-in display and loudspeaker features, it supports both English and simplified Chinese languages in its app interface. The S4S includes a removable 3.7V 1800 mAh LiPo battery and comes packaged with various accessories such as a remote controller and spare propellers, making it a user-friendly option for enthusiasts aged 14 and above. The drone's folding design enhances portability, and it carries CE certification, ensuring compliance with safety standards. Number 4. XT505 Drone. The Enzobo camera drone is a lightweight device weighing just 200 grams, designed for users aged 14 and older, featuring a maximum takeoff weight of under 1 kilogram and resistance to wind speeds less than 10 km per hour. It boasts an impressive flight time of up to 25 minutes and incorporates a 3.0-inch sensor, enabling 1080p HD video recording with a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The drone operates on a frequency of 2.4 GHz and includes GPS for enhanced navigation. It connects via an app controller, and features a removable and replaceable battery, ensuring prolonged usage. However, it does not come equipped with an aerosol spraying system. Designed for aerial photography enthusiasts, this drone combines functionality with user-friendly features for capturing stunning aerial shots. Number 5. M33 RC Drone. The product is a lightweight camera drone designed for users aged 14 and above, featuring a compact design with a weight of 199 grams and a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram. It operates at a frequency of 2.4 GHz and allows for first-person viewing, FPV, through an app controller. The drone boasts a flight time of approximately 20 minutes and includes a built-in display. It is equipped with a 1080p HD camera that records video in MP4 format at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, making it suitable for aerial photography. Although it lacks GPS functionality, it features a removable and replaceable battery with a capacity of 3000 mAh and comes with 64 GB of storage. The drone can withstand wind speeds of less than 10 km per hour and includes a strobe light for visibility. Overall, it is a versatile choice for enthusiasts looking to capture high-definition footage from the sky.